Welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddle. Sometimes all the ducks come in a row and you get a deal that is beyond a deal. It is just amazing. I was talking to this guy. We're kind of, my wife's friends with his wife, and me and him are pretty good friends, I guess. I mean, we're becoming friends. How do you say that? Anyways, he been wanting me to walk in his Fuller for a while, and I said, yeah, bring it over. And I asked him the other day and said, man, you want me to come fix it sometime? He goes, you know what, man? I just want to get rid of it. If you come get it, you can have it free. And man, I've been begging him, let me pay you some money. I don't like getting stuff for free because it just makes me feel bad. I don't like free stuff. And he goes, nah, man, you come get it. You can have it for free. So we are going to pick up a four-wheeler that looks amazing. It needs a lot. It needs some water, guys, of course, for free. And it comes with not one, but two sets of wheels. So we're going to go pick this up, and we will catch y'all when we get back. And we are back. As you can see, we had to load it up with the tractor. And it's just crazy how sometimes you just have friends in high places and you get something, a good deal. You get a good deal. It's an old Polaris 500, old all-wheel drive. I never had one of these. I have the 500 that I've been fixing, the fuel-injected one. You might see the one I really hate from my buddy. Yeah, that's similar, except this is called his fuel-injected. He got some 27 by 9 by 12s and some, I guess, 12s. And they are mud bitches. Y'all read that right. Mud bitches, which this is bitch, but I like bitches. Also come with a set of these all-terrains. I think these will look really good on the side-by-side. I've been trying to get some tiles for side-by-side. These are Buzzsaw RTs. I've been trying to get something for the side-by-side because the Outlaws, you know, those tiles right there, yeah, they don't ride good. Now, I just want to set the ride around with, get some adapters, throw them on the Yamaha. I think they'll work. I think they're skinny wide, so they actually will be the right width, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get the Stator for this thing for us because he said he could never get spark. It was spark once and then die. We're hoping it's a Stator. He put a new CDI box. It does have a computer right there, and he never replaced that. That could also be the issue. But we'll start with the Stator because, let's be honest, that's the easiest and cheapest thing to get. And, of course, being a Polaris and them thinking this was a good idea, all the plastic bushes are gone. But we have all those sitting around. If y'all been here, you know the 6x6 is nothing but this old Polaris stuff. And we got all the bushes just laying around. We have multiple sets because I kept losing a set, then buying them. I think I lost two different sets and then reordered them. And then I ended up finding all of them. So we have so many sets, it ain't even funny. Anyways, guys, I will catch you when we get to this shop and we find some parts, guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We have the old free Polaris in here, and it's ready to put it together. Well, not really put it together. Time to try to see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. If you saw the beginning of the video, which I guess you do because it's the same video, guys, don't let me confuse you. You got to remember these videos take weeks sometimes. So we finally got the Stator in, so we got to put it all in. I've already tried. We have zero spark. I went ahead and kind of connected some stuff. I got the carburetor, got some gas, tried all that. Still nothing. So we got to go ahead and we got to get the new Stator on. The Stator is right here. I don't think y'all really need to see me putting it on. So instead of sitting here and being like, hey guys, wait, watch me put the Stator on. We're just going to go ahead and snap to it. 1, 2, and we got it in. Woo. I'm hot, guys. That thing was a pain in the butt. The hardest thing was trying to get the wires right. Plus the wire it didn't seem like it was quite as long. Maybe I'm just losing my mind, but it's very easy. You trace it around, come back up here, plug it into everything. I got to figure out how this was all laying like this, so it has to go somewhere. I just don't know where it goes right now. Here's the old Stator right here hanging out. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know if it's bad or not. So what happened, guys, is I put the Stator on, and of course I was going to try it, and I probably should have had y'all with it, but guess what? It didn't work. Still had no spark. So what did I do? I started playing with the throttle, and we started getting spark. Wait, we have spark when we have the throttle on? And that reminded me of something I saw on Facebook years ago, and it just somehow popped in my mind. These two wires together were touching. That's some sort of stupid fail-safe that if they touch, it will not get spark. It cuts the engine off. It's something to do with the throttle sticking. I guess the throttle cable is just a little loose where the guy probably put a new carb on it, a new thumbstick. He put a lot of new stuff on this, probably trying to get it right, and guess what? It didn't run right. So, yeah, that's not good. Oh, I guess it's good for us because sadly we put the Stator on, which was $50. But we could have done it for free because I have a feeling that Stator was not the issue. So we've been over here. I've cleaned the carb. because it needed to be cleaned. I went ahead and put some fresh gas, ran gas in the tank and out the tank and in the tank and out the tank. So it's the moment of truth, people. Let me get this back over here. Okay. Key on. I've already charged the battery a little bit. Choke. Oh, whoa, 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 hold up. Uh-oh. The thing wants to start. She has spark. Oh, yeah. Did I cut the gas back on? Gas was off. That also explains why this is leaking. Hopefully that's just some stuff left in it. Guys, the free foiler is running, and all it took was separating some wires and wasting a little money on a... Oh, it is leaking. Dang it. Well, we're going to need a carburetor too, because that's leaking, and I cleaned the crap out of that thing. But y'all can't lie, for a free foiler, I mean, a carburetor on a Stator, that ain't nothing. Thing seems fine. Oh, that came off. I don't have anything plugged in. Get in there. I really need help. Low. It doesn't. Oh, wait. Whoa. Polaris. I forgot. Brake. Woo. It got in high. Oh, yeah. She walks, baby. Of course. Woo. Carburetor's pouring gas, though. There's no brand on gasoline. We got the gasoline. But, guys, that just goes to show you, sometimes don't give up on something. Ask somebody. Get some help. I told this guy, let me work on it. Let me fix it for you. He did not want it, so here we are. Free foiler. It runs. It needs some carb work, I guess. I've already cleaned it out. I went ahead. I cleaned the crap out of that float, but it was nasty, and I could rebuild it, but I just go ahead and get a whole nother carb. We'll go ahead and put this whole thing together, and we be ready. I mean, come on, free foiler, guys. Let me know in the comments. Should we keep it, or should we go ahead and put it together and sell it? I mean, we'd probably get $2,000 for this, maybe $1,500. I mean, it is an old Polaris. They don't sell that high. But I definitely want to try the mud bitches out for us. I mean, the 27 mud bitches, I definitely got to try them in the mud. Even if I don't keep them on heel, maybe I'll put some stocks and sell it, and I keep them and just, I mean, come on, we got to try the mud bitches out. But anyways, guys, I guess we'll switch to something else, because I don't know what else to do with this thing. I mean, we could drive it, but it's pulling out gas. I don't know if that's the best thing to do. I might play with it a little more, see if I can maybe get it stopped, but I don't think I am. I think it's just going to be leaking gas. But let me show you what we're working on over here. This is a Gen 2 2020 Can-Am XMR. This is the engine. It is blown up. So the guy told me that he sunk it. And after he sunk it, it was like, oh, it ran, but it smoked really bad. And I was like, oh, but he said he sunk it. I think he said he flipped it in the water. But so we went ahead and he brung it to me, and it wouldn't even start. It was locked up. I said, man, this thing's locked up. He goes, oh, well, it wasn't. Well, it is now. I can't show you because the clutch ain't on it, but that engine's locked up, guys. Locked up. And when we were over here, it didn't take me long to realize why. Look at that throttle body. That's straight mud, people. Like, that is just ew. And look at the river rocks. There's so many river rocks and stuff all over this thing that I'm like, man, you think people are clean, they'll mess up. The worst thing of all is I noticed there was not one, but two holes here. And I was like, did I do that? I said, no, I didn't do that. You can see it's been broke for a while. I got dirt on it. And I was like, huh, what do those connect to? So if you blow in these. Gay! You realize they go into the air box, meaning this air box was full of water, guys. It's going to go ahead and say. And I'm going to go ahead and say that's the reason why it was full of water, because those broke off at some point. I don't know how, I don't know when, but they broke off. And yeah, this guy got even more water on his engine, which I guess it already needed to be rebuilt. But I had to get up with the guy and be like, hey, man, do you want a new air box? You want some JB weld and a screw? I mean, it's your motor. I don't care. I mean, I do care. Don't get me wrong. Let me say that again. I do care, but it's your rig. You want to drive it the way you want? Go ahead. I'm just the mechanic. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I hate when people do that. Like, you can't do it. I hate when people go, oh, you put a golf tee or screw in the overflow. Now it's going to blow up the engine. You know what? If it's your fault, do what you want. I've done it. I know my carb ain't leaking. I go for it. And, oh, what's the worst? It dumps gas. I'll know about it because it won't start. I'll look in the thing. Oh, wait, there's gas everywhere. But, yeah, that's just something going on, guys. But that's all we can do with the free fall of the day because, yeah, we don't have no parts. I'll order the parts today, but it's Friday, and let's be honest, this video comes out Sunday, so, I mean, come on. free foiler. We got it running in less than a week. I mean, there's a lot of little stuff. We got Bush's Hill. And let's not forget, I mean, it's a Polaris. I don't know if I showed y'all. But yeah, it's a Polaris. What do you expect? But like I was saying, guys, if you have the issue, all you gotta do is pop this cap off, check and make sure those two wires ain't touching. If they're touching, you will not get sparked. Some people have said put a zip tie in it. I don't know if that's a good thing. It's supposed to help if it kind of speeds up and it gets out of hand, but you know what? I don't know. I also got a winch on this thing. I got a winch, but I ain't. Oh, there's a winch thing. Let's see if it works. Oh wait, key on. Oh, the winch works. No way. Hang on. Let's see. It's a 1. We got a walk-in winch and it's a 1. I mean, it sounds like it's working. Let me not jump to the conclusion. It might be bad. It was snorkeled, as you can see. It has the snorkel things here. And there. Oh, and voila! But the guy didn't have any of the stuff. I don't know where it is. He probably has it around his house somewhere. But we're probably not going to put the snorkels back on because unless y'all vote, if y'all want in the comments, y'all tell me if you want to keep this thing, we will keep it. We will snorkel it. We will destroy it. I mean, it's free. What? I can't complain. I really want to sell it and buy a Honda or something else because I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not the biggest fan of Polarises, but I also don't hate. Okay, I kind of hate the 850. That thing really disgusted me of how little power I had. But y'all let me know. Should we keep it? In the comments, guys. In the comments. Anyways, I guess we'll just continue. I don't know where we're going from here. Eventually. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the video is going to end. Why is that, you might ask? We had a plan, a very elaborate plan. We were going to pick something up today that was crazy, that was going to be awesome. Here it has been 36 hours and the guy ain't got back up with me. So I got up with him Thursday and I said, hey, I want these items. I want to come pick them up tomorrow or Saturday. I'll probably get up with you tomorrow afternoon and let you know. He goes, oh, fine. I've already talked to him before. I talked to him for a while. It was all fine and dandy. I messaged him last night at 5 o'clock, said I couldn't make it today. I'm sorry. How does tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning sound? Maybe 9. Never message. I messaged him around 10. Hey, man, you still got them? Ain't heard nothing yet. Here it is. I think it's like 6 o'clock right now. My phone, my watch is dead. But yeah, he ain't heard from him. So we're not getting the item. Maybe. He might mess me tomorrow, but oh, my phone died or I didn't get on Facebook because Marketplace. But right now, we can't do anything about it. So y'all let me know in the comments. Should we keep the Polaris? Should we trade it for something else? Should we sell it and get something else? I'm trying to buy a Rancho again. I have a guy and I was trying to get him to sell it to me today. I don't think he wants to sell it. Anyways, guys, if you wouldn't mind, like, comment, and subscribe. And next week, we might have this item. I hope so because I got some videos that I want to do with this thing so bad. I've been wanting this for years, since I was a kid. So we'll see what happens. I'll see y'all on the next one.